Hebei New Onmai Technology Co. Limited is a manufacturer specializing in the production of beauty instruments. Since 2007, we have been manufacturing equipment and serving as OEM services for some of the top medical groups from Spain, South Korea, and Germany. Our company has independent import and export rights. Therefore, we can distribute a wide range of equipment to customers around the world. Some of our products have obtained European CE, ISO 9001 to 2001, ISO 13485 to 2003, and other certifications. For more details, please subscribe to the channel.